Have you ever imagined pouring cooking oil down the toilet? It sounds strange, it sounds wrong, but the result might surprise you. This is one of those home remedies that few people believe in. But once you try it, you'll never stop doing it. In a container, put 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Then, add 2 tablespoons of fabric softener, any brand. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Now add 1 tablespoon of laundry detergent. And finally, add half a cup of white vinegar. Now mix everything very well. Stir until it becomes a homogeneous mixture, without lumps, with a creamy texture. First, let's test it on the bathroom sink. Pour some of the mixture into the sink, especially in the areas where grease, toothpaste, soap, and those stains that never seem to come out accumulate. Take a sponge or cloth and scrub well, going over the edges, the drain, and the entire surface. Let this mixture act for about a minute. While it's doing this, observe how it begins to loosen the dirt. After that, rinse with water. Pay attention to the result. The sink becomes brighter, shinier, and smells much more pleasant, without that musty, closed-up bathroom odor. Now comes the most impressive part, the toilet. Pour the mixture into the toilet bowl, especially on the inner edges, at the bottom of the water and in the dirtiest areas. Use the brush to spread and scrub well. Let it sit for about a minute. Then flush or rinse with water. Look at the difference. The toilet bowl is visibly cleaner, shinier, and without that strong smell that bothers everyone. And now I'll explain why this works. Cooking oil helps loosen stubborn dirt. Baking soda breaks down grease and helps to brighten. Vinegar disinfects and eliminates odors. Laundry detergent removes deep dirt. And fabric softener leaves a pleasant scent and a shiny finish. It's a simple but extremely powerful combination. If you liked this trick, like this video and comment below if you're going to try it at home. Share it with someone who always complains about a dirty bathroom, because this trick really works and costs almost nothing.